What's going on, guys? Pretty much picking up from the other video of the Honda Accord installing the carbon fiber pieces. So like I did tell y'all, I did get those little side pieces on the side where the shifter's at, and then obviously the piece in the center where the actual shifter is at, the centerpiece where the cup holders, and then the little shifter carbon fiber piece. So I'm gonna be installing those first. So like I said, give you a quick little reminder of what it was. So these side pieces on the side, this one, the little black piece that goes around the side, and the shifter. So those three pieces are the ones we'll be installing in this video today. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is the little shifter piece that's going to be going right over the little shifter. Alright, so this is an overlay again. So I already took off the adhesive, cleaned it up, and let's put it on, guys. It's fairly easy here. All this, pretty much anybody could do it. Just pretty much use a sticker, really. So apply some pressure. Alright, there's that one. So this one does, from what I can see, it does, since it's not like one of these pieces where it just kind of sits flat, it kind of goes over. I can see it does have like that little lip, you know what I mean? I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but I mean, it's not a big deal to me. It looks good, looks like it's supposed to be there. So that's that. Now to install these side little moldings on the side. Alright, so this is the piece that goes right here on the side. Same exact, you know what I'm saying, match as the steering wheel and as this piece. So you might not be able to see real good on this one just because of the camera angle and the steering wheel being here. So I'll probably end up having to show you how it looks on the other side. So sorry if you can't see too well. Let me see. I gotta get up under here. Alright, so that's that side. Damn, fucking looks clean, huh? Yeah, I think that's by far one of my favorite pieces, that and the steering wheel. So yep, that's this side, guys. Alrighty, we're gonna put on the passenger side. So just like that. I'm gonna just lift up the center console to make sure it sits nice and flush in here. So make it happen. Alright. So that's the passenger side, guys. So, dang. Definitely once we get this on right here, this is definitely gonna complement this. It's gonna all flow together, and I think that's gonna pretty much all gonna be all the carbon fiber I'm gonna put, and then this right here too. So, all right, guys, time to put this on. All right, so this is the centerpiece. This is the one that's gonna be going right here. I did have kind of a hard time finding this one just because of the fact, I mean, I'm not sure if the 2.0 turbo ones or, you know, the other 1.5s are a little different, but mine does have like that little cutout on the side where it goes right here where the shifter's at, right there, where PRND's at, so it kind of goes around it. So I kind of had a hard time with the other one. The other one had like the little squares, right? Little squares,
little holes on them.
Yeah, little holes cut out for the I guess the little PRND thing. So first thing, I'm gonna open up the center console because it's gonna kind of go right here. So I already removed all the tape. So here we go. Shit. Oh, I already see one problem. Oh, never mind. There we go. I was having a little problem. This kind of tucks in under it, so no, this doesn't look right. There it goes.
That looks clean, bro.
They just kind of snug it in on the edges, make sure it's secure. Goes with everything, huh? Ties together. That's the only thing I don't like that. Alright. So that's that piece. Just making sure it's on there. I don't know what I was pushing the hell out of it, bro. I was looking at one of the time-lapse videos on the other one. I pushed the hell out of it. Come on, dog. I was like, bro, I pushed the foot. I saw it again the other day, bro. I was laughing. Alright, so that's that one. So let me see. What's all this? So that's what I was talking about. Was kind of cut out right here. So it goes around it. You can still see everything. So. See how the center console closes. Oh, well, closes perfect. And it still closes good, so, and it doesn't rub on it either, so that's good. So it definitely ties in with everything else now, with the size and this. Now I'm gonna just put this one on. Yeah, huh? Cause it throws it off nasty, huh? Without this one. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put this bad boy on now, so that way everything else is donezo. Alrighty, so this is the other piece for the center compartment right here in the middle. So as y'all see on the other ones, like right here, then right here, then on the actual like door panels, it covers all the silver, but on this one it has a little silver piece right here. This is just gonna cover it, so obviously it has to go over so you won't see it. So here we go. Can you see it, Rick?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm trying to get it right. Oh, nope. Hold up. Right there. Trying to get it perfect. There we go. Oh, this is a little sketchy.
Maybe we should have put that one first.
Yeah. No, it's good. It's just like Because it's supposed to open. So like it's like trying to
Open.
yeah, but it's like I don't know.
That's good.
So I was like, I'm gonna break this motherfucker. All right. Boom. Oh,
Sweet.
another one. Hold up.
It's hidden somewhere.
We got little technical difficulties.
Get that.
Yeah, I think this little piece right here is touching where it locks in at, so I'm trying to push it up. Let's see.
There we go.
A little more. Alright, there we go. Oh, yeah. Alright, so there's that piece. Damn, bro, she looks clean. Where's that rag at? Do I have it? No. Alright. Damn, looks sick, huh? Let me see. Alrighty, boys. Whew. Flows perfect. We got everything on the side and center. And now this bad boy. Had a little trouble right here with it not clipping, but I pushed it up. So, oh shit. Everything's nice and good, so that'll probably be everything for the carbon fiber. I'm not gonna do anything else. I know they sell other little parts for like the doors and like all these little pieces that go right here and right here, but I don't want all that. I think it's good how it is.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the carbon fiber pieces. So that pretty much ties up everything in the interior for as far as the carbon fiber pieces that I wanted. I don't want to overload it. I think that's good enough in my opinion. So yep, I think what's next on the car, I know I still need wheels. I actually went to test fit some of my boys' wheels, man, they didn't fit, so that was kind of a fail. There were some Rahanas, but a mosquito. So I am gonna probably order the some of the rear of this. I don't know what they're called, aprons or not a diffuser, obviously, but yeah, it's just gonna pretty much finish off everything else with the side skirts and then the lip. So they'll be about right here. I did find them; they're already color matched to the car, so it's gonna tie in everything. And I'm not really sure what's after that, so y'all guys stay tuned for that video coming up. I'm not sure when I'm gonna order it, but I'm gonna order them here very soon just to finish off the kit, front, sides, and rear. So yeah, guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Sauce.